Tips for success. Success can mean different things to different people, but here are some general tips that might help you achieve your goals. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals. Create a plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Having a clear plan helps you stay organized and focused. Stay disciplined. Consistency is key. Develop routines and habits that support your goals, and stick to them even when motivation wanes. Be adaptable. Be open to change and ready to adjust your plan if necessary. Flexibility can help you overcome obstacles and seize new opportunities. Learn continuously. Invest in your personal and professional development. Stay curious and keep learning to stay ahead in your field. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for constructive feedback from others. It can provide valuable insights and help you improve. Manage your time. Prioritize tasks and use time management techniques to stay productive. Tools like to-do lists, calendars, and time blocking can be helpful. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and inspiring people. Networking can open doors and provide valuable resources and opportunities. Stay positive and resilient. Challenges and setbacks are part of the journey. Maintain a positive attitude and develop resilience to bounce back from difficulties.